Is your stainless steel or aluminum surface dirty, dull, and unattractive? Try Transrich 607 Stainless Steel Polish and Cleaner, a specially formulated product designed to clean, polish, and protect your stainless steel surfaces from dirt and stains. Its powerful cleaning formula easily removes all kinds of stubborn dirt and grime. Clean and polish in just one spray. Transrich 607 Stainless Steel Polish and Cleaner restores the shine to dull stainless steel surfaces. Its long-lasting shine lasts twice as long, while also protecting stainless steel surfaces from fading and dullness. It can also be used on aluminum, chrome, and various other metal surfaces. Perfect for industrial applications, cleaning tasks, daily use, or anything else. This product is easy to use for anyone, anywhere, and anytime. Transrich 607 Stainless Steel Polish and Cleaner, the simple, fast, and perfect solution for you.